Welcome everyone. Last week I had this issue where my Joy-Cons weren't pairing to my Nintendo Switch, and the reason why this happened is because I had, the two regular Joy-Cons, which are, always in my Switch, and then I had these extra Joy-Cons, and these extra Joy-Cons, which weren't paired to my Switch before, were not working. However, you can see this Joy-Con right here, which wasn't working, is pairing, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So all you need to do is with these extra Joy-Cons, which are not pairing, you just need to put them in your Nintendo Switch physically. So just plop them down like this, boom, and then you'll see this paired icon. What you want to do after is just take them out. So just plop it back out. And then once you plop it back out, what I want you to do is hold down L and R, and boom, just like that, you can see my Joy-Con, which wasn't pairing to my Nintendo Switch, is now pairing without any issues. If this still doesn't work, I'll try another Switch, and if that still doesn't work, that means your Joy-Cons are faulty, and if that's the case, you will need to, file a warranty replacement or get a return if you just bought your Switch. So really, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. I spent literally 5 minutes trying to figure this out because the pair button here was not, being recognized by this Switch console. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.